Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my garage and the Volvo V70 that I've got. First issue, the big one I have at the moment, is the heater blower has stopped working. I left the car parked up for a couple of months. The weather's been terrible in the UK. Came back to it and it was soaking wet inside. All the carpets, see the carpet from the passenger side footwell, all this foam was wringing wet. Common problem, the seal, the bonding that's used to fasten the windscreen in fails on the V70s, and it leaks on the inside. It's obviously been doing that for some time and it's soaked out the inside of it. The heat at the same time, the heater fan blower had stopped working. I think that was due to the water probably not helping. Anyway, I looked online, as you probably have, looked at some videos, some great videos on how to repair it, how to get the fan out. You need a special tool. It's quite expensive, and looks quite a time-consuming job. But I've just had a stroke of luck, which is unusual for me. So I thought I'd share that with you. Sorry about that, the memory card was full, so I've forgotten where I was now. Anyway, the car, yeah, soaking wet inside. Blower motor I thought would gone, so I looked at some videos online, and I'm going to take all this out. We've got to do the same at the driver's side as well. I've taken the carpets out to dry, the passenger seat out, and obviously the seat wasn't wet, but it just helped me to get in here. Fairly easy to get to this stage, but I could see the blower motor. I'll try and shine this in here. Now all this electronics module and everything has to come out in order to get to it. But I thought before I went any further I would just give it a little try, poking the fan, see if it was jammed. So I've got the screwdriver, what you can see there, pushed that in through there and just rotated the fan, see, slightly rotated it, and right, switch the car on. There we go, fan's on full speed. I don't know if you can hear that, see that, there we go. Excellent, happy days, so happy with that. Well, I'll probably have to replace the fan at some point, but not today, so that's a good thing. See how wet the car is from the windscreen. I'll turn the fan off. There we go. See the water coming out of this foam. Sound deadening here. So I think I'll leave the dehumidifier on a few more days. I'm still waiting for my wheels to come back from being refurbished, so I can just leave the car like that for a few more days. Hope it dries out. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope that helps.